Okay. So, Johanna, are you here?
Yes, I'm here. Hi,
Is it Johanna?
Johanna.
Johanna, okay.
Yes,
Where are you calling from?
from Sweden, Gothenburg.
Okay. Well, welcome. I've been to Stockholm and Uppsala.
All right,
Yeah.
not far,
Yeah.
small country.
Okay. So you said I have two types of clients that I work with. They don't respond to the same kind of language and they're not in the same worlds. Could I use one of them, small business owners, as an umbrella? They're very lonely, and I would meet them in an online message and then speak more directly to the other change makers, peace, interculturality, integration, etc. in hubs they're a part of. I'm a little confused.
Yeah,
Are these people who do the peace, interculturality, integration work, are they also entrepreneurs?
yes. And I'm the link between and I do work with them as we speak, but in, well, the same way, but different contexts. So the organizations or entrepreneurs or venturers of like civil change or whatever, I work in workshops and that kind of things, and I enjoy that work, and I'm relevant since I wrote a book about something, and I can bring business to them because they struggle with sales and they struggle with systems and they struggle with things concerning business, and I kind of get it, so I can come with the sales and the business and stuff to them. But I also enjoy the work where small business owners, I can bring that other part of like outcome and soul, outcome in the world. And with them, I can work one-to-one, and I so much enjoy that work. So I want to do that work still. So I was kind of in a conflict. Should I choose a niche, or could I find a way to talk to maybe one of them, because the language is so different.
Got it. Do you have your laptop on your lap right now?
Oh, sorry.
Thank you. Just for everybody, if you're going to ask me a question, it's just, I don't know why, but it makes me nauseous. So if you can have it on a flat table.
Yes, I will. I'll put it down. Sorry.
Okay, so what kind of, when you say the other small business owners, what kind of small business owners are we talking about?
Well, it could be anything. Sometimes it's well, anything really, but up to maybe 30, 40 employees, and sometimes just very small, like alone, or 3 or 4 guys in a company. Well, it could be, for one thing, to find a way to connect to purpose, and most of the time they are just having 8-hour work weeks, and they struggle, and they need peace of mind, and they need to find a way to have the results they want, because they're working.
So are you helping them with the sales and marketing? Are you helping them with business systems? Is it just overall business coaching?
No, it's almost the other way around. With them, it's mostly soul and purpose and outcome, and also how to have a result through calming down, because they are like, running and standing still at the same time.
So, okay, let's see if I'm following. So it sounds like with the sort of mainstream entrepreneurs, you're helping them with soul, but with these other entrepreneurs, you're helping them with the business side.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, those are two different audiences. So, I mean, yes, they're all small business owners. I would just say on your homepage, that seems like two different buttons to click. One is, are you a business wanting to bring more soul and, values, etc., into your organization, or more balance, whatever that is? And the other side, are you a change maker doing peace or cultural work and you are struggling to get clients and,
Mm.
build your business, click here. I would just make sure it's very clear which those are. Yeah, that'd be my sense.
Yeah, okay. So not, I was also in a sense, when putting out stuff like writing things, maybe I would need to choose, and that was why I had the thought of maybe I am addressing the small business owners, and that's kind of relatable to the other guys, because, well, it's soulful, and then I could, I don't know, be very meetup groups and
Well,
finding the, yeah.
well, it could be. It's, I mean, it could be that what you're doing is you're weaving together soul and business.
Mm.
And that's what you talk about then in your newsletter and
Mhm.
social media, is the intersection of those two things. And then you could use people from either side in the case studies. And there are going to be different offers for those two groups, because that's a different journey from A to B. They're both struggling with, like, on one side, they're heavy on the business and low on the soul. On the other side, big on the soul, but low on the business. So then to me, the so much of the content of social media and the newsletter would be this marriage of both of them
Mm.
and why they need to be married. And like, here's an example from one side and here's an example from another.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm playing around with that then, and I'm good. Thank you. I'll yeah, keep playing. Thank you,
Okay.
Dad.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you.
Welcome.